Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to tag everyone in a WhatsApp group. Step 1 is to open WhatsApp on your mobile phone. After opening your WhatsApp, click on the group you want to mention everyone in. Type on the message box, but if you type everyone, then that simply doesn't work. WhatsApp does not allow to tag everyone at once. So in order to tag everyone, you have to tag each of the member individually. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our tech videos. Till then, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.